Well, hello there, gentlemen, and welcome to Gentleman's Caddy. My friends, they call me Junior. Now, what we're going to do today is install a lanyard on this here folding knife. Now, you can use any material you would like on your folder, such as paracord, lace, leather cord. For the purposes of this here tutorial, I will be using leather cord here. So if you would like, say, 3 to 4 inches of lanyard here, sticking beyond that of your lanyard hole, as the right here on the hinder, for example, you'll need approximately 18 inches or so of lanyard material. So go and cut yourself off about 18 inches or so of material here. Now, if you are installing a bead as well, just add a couple more inches along with it. So I will be installing this here little fella, if he looks familiar, along with my lanyard. So let's get started here. So let's put the knife here and let's put the lanyard through the lanyard hole. Now let's make it even on both sides here. So both the ends here are equal. As you can see here, both the ends here are equal. Now just follow my hands here the best you can. Try to slow it up as much as I can here. Make sure that's nice and tight there. I have leather cord, so it's a little bit more stiffer here. So with paracord, it's actually a little easier if you're using paracord. Now we'll just continue doing the same knot over and over until you get your preferred length here. Just keep tightening that. I'm going to go ahead and put my lanyard in here, my lanyard bead that is. I'll just continue here on with the knot there. And I like to do 2 more knots just to secure the bead here so it doesn't come off at all. There's no chance of it ever coming off. do one more here. As you can see, the material is quickly diminishing here. And there you have it. So I'm just going to go ahead and cut these here ends off here.